Oh, shit. What is up, Storm babes? So welcome back to another video. If you are new here, my name is Michelle, the owner of Quiet Storm the brand. Like, comment, and subscribe. Today's video, y'all, is the unboxing of my Telfar bag. Now, I just received this bag actually last month. Let me tell y'all, let me get y'all help. Even know who Telfar is. It is black owned. It's like the you know what I'm saying, like the design, like, you know, bag. They also have like beanies and stuff like that. They're amazing. They're based in New York City. You know, it's just that that nice aesthetic just to have within your closet, and just, you know what I'm saying, with on your outfits, with on your fit for the day. So I wanted to save my unboxing for this video. And the reason it took like okay, let me see. So in August is when they did the bag security. And because every time you go on telfar.com, if you know, within 1 minute the bags are sold out. Like, cut it, gone, bye bye, deuces, it's sold out. Like, and I'm just now receiving it, like I say, last month. And so it was 24-hour program. Okay, it was to get with any kind of color, any kind of size you want, and your bag is secured. Like you're gonna get your bag. So that's what I did. I was like, you know what, I don't got time to keep playing. So for all moment of truth, let me stop talking and get to this bag. Okay, how the box came, it has that on there. It's just a brown regular box. So I got my switchblade, and we're going to open this baby up. Yeah, I am so excited. My Telfar bag. I'm excited, y'all. It's like my own Christmas gift to myself. Oh my god, y'all. Y'all, look. Oh, shit. Need more. Y'all. Oh my god. Okay. Oh. Okay. Look at the duster. It is so cute and big. So this is just the duster. And I love that it comes in this plastic wrap to even protect that. That is so thoughtful. And it's black on, so it's, you know what I'm saying, it's always good with our people. You know what I'm saying? Ship quality. And okay, that's the bag. This is so cute. Like, I love it. Giving me Louis Vuitton vibes. Okay, here it is. Oh my god. Look at it. This is my first time touching you. Okay, I feel like dun, 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 dun. Okay, so I got the medium white. So I originally wanted to get the bubble gum because I love pink. But lately I've been really into like a lot of nudes and blacks, and it's about to be winter time. So I was like, you know what, this white is gonna like just set it off. It's gonna set it off Queen Latifah style. You heard me? Do you hear me? Ah! Okay. So the straps are together. That is really nice. I like that. I don't think I want to open the straps yet. I'm gonna just leave it like that. This is how the inside looks. Got the logo right here. Right here it has the price tag. That it has a zipper. Has a zipper for some room. It's pretty spacey. I can just tell that it's gonna be really roomy. Like, the dimensions of it. It's pretty steep. Pretty steep. I can definitely fit my laptop in here, I believe. Actually, let me go get my laptop. And again, I'm not even going to open these straps. So this is my laptop MacBook Air. So let's just see, y'all, because this is really important. If I can fit this inside this Telfar bag, baby, Louis is gonna be put up. Because what? Let's just see if I can get her in there. Oh, oh my god, y'all, look at that. So much space, so much space. It even has a little clamp right here, so it clamps. This is just, I love it, I love it, I love it. So I'm gonna be wearing her a lot. What should I call her? Baby, she's so cute. I name her like Blanca. Okay, I just love her. Like, I really wish that I could wear her today like this, but I'm just gonna go get like some oxtails, so I don't think I will need this bag. Just go get oxtails. But I can't wait to 2021 because I'm going to New York again and I'm rocking you. I'm gonna go to Jamaica and I'm gonna rock you. I'm gonna be on a plane like this. Oh, excuse me, it's just me and my Telfar, excuse me, walking down the aisle like this. Oh, hey, how you doing? Oh, that's my seat. Yeah, well, that's our seat. Thank you. I'm a mess, y'all, I know. It comes with the duster, it comes with the straps. It's very spacious and it's just so cute. And you know, it's white, so I don't want to get her too dirty or anything like that. But a white bag is very nice and essential. And I'm happy I finally have one, and I'm happy it's by Telfar. If you want more videos like this, like, comment, and subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. You know, your girl is, you know, trying. And don't forget to shop the brand. The lashes I have on today is once again the Finesse. Really like one of my favorite lash sets. The brow kit is in dark coffee, I believe, this time. And the lip gloss is crystal clear gloss. I will put my website down below. I'll also link my business page. Follow me on Instagram if you haven't already. Project Denise. I love you guys. I will see you soon. Bye.